I want to talk to you today about the fair tax. The fair tax is a bill in Congress right now. It's been presented in various forms for many, many years. The 2017 edition is going through committee right now. And I want to mention a couple times, you can get all the detailed information about this bill at either fairtax.org or accuratetax.com. And it's enjoying bipartisan support, and those that are authoring the bill are bipartisan, so it's good. And what it wants to do is eliminate one of the things I hate. They're just a short list of things I hate. I hate wind, for instance. Anyway, I also hate paperwork. And our current system of taxation is all about paperwork. I mean, I've finally gotten used to TurboTax, and I can generally knock our taxes out in, about 4 to 6 hours. But that whole time, I've never taken my blood pressure, but it'd be really high. I just really hate it. Our current system is also about people who can afford good lawyers not paying a proportionally fair share of taxes. Corporations, rich people, and there is a system of taxation that would be fair. It would trade in big problems for much smaller problems. There will still be problems. Something's always haywire, but the difficulties connected to the fair tax are inconsequential compared to what we have going on right now. This fair tax would even up the tax burden. It's called a fair tax because it's a national sales tax that replaces the IRS, Social Security tax, inheritance tax, and on the list is long. You can read all the details, as I said, at fairtax.org or accuratetax.com. Just some of the things that stand out to me. It eliminates a lot of cheats. There's just no way to cheat. You go to a place to check out with whatever you're buying, and with our digital age, it can be set up as a POP collection, point of purchase collection, on the part of the government at every retailer. I mean, if we abolish the IRS, which this would do, we got to do something with all them people that work for them. So there'd be a lot of jobs for people involved in just overseeing and administrating and everything. So the money can be collected right on the spot. You buy something online, the online seller has to have a connection so that the government share goes straight. It never passes through anybody's hands. Government gets their money right now. And what you're doing is you're paying as you play. Pay as you play. If you're not very rich and you don't spend very much money, then you're not going to pay very much tax. But if you're rich and you're spending big bucks, then you're gonna pay. Everybody pays on what they spend. And at the beginning of the thing, the calculation is that it would take a 23% sales tax to meet the federal budget, and that would replace Social Security tax. It would be included in that. For 23%, all of our current taxes can be paid and not collected in their various forms. So I don't know. I've thought about this for a long time. This is really the first time I've become aware that there's a bill in Congress. I was really excited to know that, but to know that it's been in Congress in some form or other for at least 20 years. And I've been haranguing on this point for at least that long. So anyway, the fair tax. What do you think?